target is still here. Shoot on sight. Anyone have eyes on the CLO?
Negative. What are we dealing
Here's
with?
my ride.
An SBS raid?
Rogue MI6 agent with a chip on his shoulder.
Seriously? One man?
One man who chose to come here on his own.
Copy that. He's a nutter.
Haha.
Moving in. This isn't good.
Okay, boys, got the ground.
Let's go there.
Keep up the pressure. I see it! There! Push him out, quick! There!
Last bomb! Watch for explosives!
He's not moving! Got you! He's here! Right here!
Oh, je t'avais pas vu toi. Salut. Ah, bah salut moi alors.
The target is still here. Shoot on sight. Anyone have eyes on the CLO?
Here's my
Negative.
ride.
What are we dealing with here? An SBS raid?
Rogue MI6 agent with a chip on his shoulder.
Seriously? One man?
One man who chose to...
No way. No way.
No way. What is...
Forget it.
This isn't happening.
Okay, hunt him down. Spread out.
Form up and go!
Keep my line. One down. Stay put. Relocating. Hit.
He's not moving. Drive him out. Teammate down.
Frag grenade out.
Ah.
The target is still here. Shoot on sight. Anyone have eyes on the CLO?
Here's my
Negative.
ride.
What are we dealing with here? An SBS raid?
Rogue MI6 agent with a chip on his shoulder.
Seriously?
Alors j'entends un
One
peu.
man?
One man who chose to come here on his own.
Copy that.
Can you hear me?
What's that?
No time.
Huh?
Leave. What was that noise?
Take him down!
Friendly casualty here. That's close. It's him.
Ah, c'est quand j'ai tiré, du coup je les ai alarmés. Je les avais pas alarmés avant.
Can't find him!
Can't see. Where'd he go?
Got eyes on him! Over! I'm hurt! Flashbang! Moving out! Right. Get down!
He's reloading. Go. Trap him.
Down! He's changing position. Target spotted! Out! Not going anywhere unless we make him! I'm reloading! Keep it off me!
C'est bon, moi aussi, laissez-moi...
Flashbang!
Dug in good.
une flash, normalement.
Shot me!
Flashbang!
Je dois prendre une flash. Hop.
Flashbang out! Amateurs. I guess it's up to me now.
Je récupère des munitions. Il sait pas où je suis. Bah, maintenant il sait. Ok. Pourquoi la musique elle s'emballe là? Qu'est-ce que j'ai fait?
Force him out of cover. I've lost sight of him. Got him.
Là au-dessus.
Now get on the move. He's flagging.
Et où l'autre là-bas? On recharge. Ça c'est pareil, on est full. Faut que je fasse une petite sortie, je laisse mon lurk à tout. Ça marche, merci beaucoup pour le lurk, à tout à l'heure. Pardon, j'étais concentrée, du coup j'ai un peu moins lu.
Keys in the lock.
Lift activated.
Can't be this easy.
Running diagnostics. Resuming functions. Going down.
Belly the beast. Here we go. Isola, I made it onto the lift, heading down towards Hyperion. Did you locate Webb? Isola, copy.
See him. He's on the freight elevator. He's heading for the side. Move! Stop He's flying!
Damn it.
Je vois rien.
Mean business.
Come on. He's bleeding. Keep pressing.
Lift activated.
Let me
Running
kick his teeth.
Aïe.
Kicks it.
Resuming
Good
functions.
talk.
Going down.
Okay. That's got to be the last of them.
Have you lost your mind? You're talking about turning them into autonomous weapon systems. This is not what we do.
The order came straight from the top. Remove all safety restrictions and upload the defense software protocol.
No, I won't be a part of this.
Then I will. Step aside.
Comment on descend de l'ascenseur?
Oh, hell no. Need a way out. Now.
Well, well. Out of the frying pan and into the meat
Ah,
grinder.
désactiver les freins.
Didn't see that coming, did you?
Finch.
Now you remember my name. Who's the joke now, Bond? Huh? Who's the bloody joke? Disabling the brakes. What's it waiting for? Break the car! Break it now!
Il va sauter de toute façon le robot. On va le revoir, hein.
Same control panel as the lift. Not getting anywhere without the override key. This better work.
Ah, je savais qu'on allait le revoir. L'armure ne peut être retirée qu'en utilisant des explosifs. Ok.
So Hyperion's on 15. Means only... Brilliant. Right. Won't be getting one of those.
C'est beaucoup de balles quand même. Hein.
Attention all staff. This is a level 2 alert. Anyone not performing critical functions is kindly instructed to return to their quarters and await further instructions. We apologize for the inconvenience.
Carte postale de l'Antarctique, une carte postale envoyée par une employée de Web Industries à ses parents. Je suis arrivée, enfin, mais j'ai pas droit de vous dire où. Ne vous inquiétez pas, ça craint rien ici et c'est vraiment un job de rêve. À bientôt dans 5 mois. Gros bisous, Caitlin.
Sorry to ruin
Attention
the
all
party.
staff. This is a level 2 alert. Anyone not performing critical functions is kindly instructed to return to their quarters and await further instructions. We apologize for the inconvenience. Attention all staff. This is a level 2 alert. Anyone not performing critical functions is kindly instructed to return to their quarters and await further instructions. We apologize for the inconvenience.
Ah si, on peut grimper peut-être. Non, on peut pas. Hop. J'imagine qu'on repasse par là.
Attention all staff. This is a level 2 alert. Anyone not performing critical functions is kindly instructed to return to their quarters and await further instructions. We apologize for the inconvenience.
More fans. They should lead to the lower levels.
Comment je passe?
Let's
Avec le truc là.
stick to factory settings this time, shall we?
Ils sont tous en rouge. Ils sont pas très bons pour moi. Je pourrais quand même courir plus vite. Je dois y aller à plus tard. Ça marche. À bientôt. Merci d'être venu. Je sais pas, je comprends pas ce que je dois faire. Ah. Il faut que je retrouve des batteries du coup.
Oh no. Yes.
Sit, big fella. Let's throw your weight around.
On va s'en servir voilà, pour écraser les robots. On les a tous eu les robots, non?
Recky's blocked. Gotta lower the bollards.
Hop. On peut ramasser des piles sur eux. C'est où? Là.
Sure. Why make it easy?
Il n'y en a qu'un qui peut se faire.
Secondary lock deactivated. Lowering system.
Oh, il n'y en a pas qu'un. On s'enfuit, non? Aïe, arrête, lâche-moi. Oh non. Ok. J'ai compris. Faut que je l'utilise avant.
Recky's blocked. Gotta lower the bollards.
Du coup, j'ai plus d'armes, donc on récupère celle-là. C'est toujours ça de prix. Tac. On récupère ça. Ça.
Sure. Why make it easy?
Pourquoi il veut pas? Les deux soient baissés.
Secondary lock deactivated. Lowering
Aïe. Ok.
Thanks, Recky. You really came through.
Beaucoup plus simple quand ils sont tous regroupés quand même. Non? Descends. Ouh!
How to get inside that structure. Ideally without being ground to a pulp. Gotta stop the centrifuge. Power source must be nearby. Great. All the merrier.
Aïe.
Engine is
J'ai pas vu.
66% operation.
Aïe, je l'ai pas vu. Ah, si je l'avais vu. Ils sont un peu nombreux quand même. Hein. Voilà, voilà, voilà. Je pense qu'il y a tellement de robots. Faut pas que je les tue tous. Genre balancer directement sur le truc qu'elle a.
Gotta stop the centrifuge. Power source must be nearby. Great. All the merrier.
Generator down. Engine is 66% operation. Authorized.
You're killing me.
Ah oui, ils sont pas idiots.
Generator down. Engine is 33% operation.
Oula.
Shield collapsing. Energy levels critical. Electrostatic discharge in 3, 2, 1.
Ah, ils sont tous... Ok, ils se sont tous fait désarmer en même temps.
I'll put in a good word with Q.
Diverting power to attempt stabilization.
C'est grand, hein.
Yellow warning. Engine inoperative. Core systems overheating.
Okay.
Diverting power to
Final
attempt
stretch.
stabilization.
Hop. J'imagine ce truc-là.
Yellow warning. Engine inoperative. Core systems overheating. Diverting power to attempt stabilization.
Hop. Il y a ce truc-là. Je sais pas comment on sait, parce que là, du coup, j'ai appuyé 2 fois dessus. Ah!
Yellow warning. Engine inoperative. Core systems overheating. Diverting power to attempt stabilization.
Mais du coup, ça me permet de venir là, de désactiver ça.
Core systems overheating.
Ah,
Diverting
je peux
power
passer
to
là.
attempt
J'avais pas vu.
stabilization.
Some stairs would have been nice. Well, guess I'll make my own way down.
Ah oui, avec le pistolet sinon.
Yellow warning. Engine inoperative. Core systems overheating. Diverting power to attempt stabilization.
Ok. Ah, et après il va falloir que je fasse pareil de l'autre côté du coup.
Yellow warning.
Pire, je
Engine
le pirate.
inoperative. Core systems overheating.
Ah, c'est malin.
Diverting power to attempt stabilization.
Je peux pas passer là, c'est ici. C'est le même, non?
Yellow warning. Engine inoperative. Core systems overheating.
Ah,
Diverting
attendez, on me
power to
rappelle,
attempt
je reviens.
stabilization.
Alors, me revoilà. Hop. Attendez, je range mon petit bazar, j'ai oublié. On est reparti. Alors. J'essaye de comprendre où je dois aller.
Yellow warning. Engine inoperative. Core
Ça, je l'ai
systems
déjà
overheating.
désactivé.
Diverting power to attempt stabilization.
Ça m'amène de ce côté. À moins que, du coup, dans le ventilateur que j'ai désactivé, j'ai raté un truc.
Yellow warning. Engine inoperative. Core systems overheating. Diverting power to attempt stabilization.
Voilà. Voilà ce que j'avais raté. Du coup, ça m'emmène
Yellow
ici.
warning. Engine inoperative.
Yeah,
Core
that's
systems
not
overheating.
happening.
Diverting power
Must
to
be an off
attempt
switch somewhere.
stabilization.
Bloqué par un danger. Ah! Ok.
Yellow warning. Engine inoperative. Core systems overheating. Diverting power to attempt stabilization.
Je peux passer par là du coup.
What are you saying? Who gave the order?
It was Finch. Told us to disable all safety restrictions and upload the defense software protocol. Said he was acting on your behalf.
Contain the situation before it snowballs. And find the intruder. He must not reach the silo.
So,
Webb's here. Isola, Webb is at the silo. You're in the wrong place. Isola? She's offline.
Sauter. Dangereuse. Ah, on va pouvoir faire la tyrolienne. Par contre, il faudrait qu'on désactive ça avant. Je dirais que c'est ça.
Orange warning. Stabilization attempt failed. Fire eruption in the
Wouhou!
immediate action required.
Grimper.
Okay. Ominous.
On est en train de tout faire péter là.
Hyperion. The brother consort. I bet he got a kick out of that one. A second quantum computer. A threat so far outside of the box we couldn't even conceive of it. Well, that ends today, Webb. That's a promise.
Orange warning. Stabilization attempt failed. Fire eruption in the cooling system. Immediate action required.
Regardez s'il y avait des trucs à loot, mais j'ai pas vu des petits points. C'est un gros robot ça.
Don't want to know.
Team moving in. No
Orange warning. Stabilization
team moving in.
attempt failed.
No sign of target.
Fire
Move to
eruption
position.
in the
All
cooling
teams
system.
block exits.
Immediate action required.
Bloody hell! You got one of us. Over there. On target in the corridor. Ah, I've been hit. Watch out!
Hop. On va ramasser les bidons. J'ai bien fait de prendre le truc qui explose. Hein.
Orange warning. Stabilization attempt failed. Fire eruption. Immediate action.
Ça, ici.
Hello, gorgeous. Okay. Remove the core. Stop the leak.
Mr. Bond. Predictably unpredictable. Have you come for my other son?
Maybe this one you'll actually care about.
Not so fast. Health monitoring device. Like all tech, its purpose can be redirected. Such as dumping every last bit of MI6 data the moment that my heart stops beating.
I don't have to kill you to stop you.
Go on then. Risk it. Not so easy when you have so much to lose, is it?
On aurait pu le désarmer.
Thought so. Drop it. Kick it away.
Your very own magic mirror. It's clever, I'll give you that. Was overthrowing the government always part of the plan?
A last resort, nothing more. And like a great man once said, never let a good crisis go to waste.
Happy to be of service.
There is no flip side to the world I'm building. You think I'm a fiend. But make no mistake, Bond. The future will be grateful.
Oh, c'est Isola.
What did you do? You gave me your word.
You really should know by now, James. My word means nothing. I've most likely pierced the abdominal aorta. He doesn't have long. I'd keep the old ticker going if I were you.
Whatever happens, stop her. Don't let them have Hyperion.
Your parents' murder. Just another lie.
Oh, what can I say? I know my audience. This is business. Always was. The only reason I let you get this far is because you make for such wonderful distractions. Good luck, James. I really do mean it.
On s'en fout du coup des fuites de données?
Moneypenny,
James, where are you? I've been trying to...
I was right about Hyperion. Webb's dead. I stopped the leak, but Isola escaped with the core. You need to send in the cavalry.
I'll do what I can.
It'll be too late.
Je peux pas y aller? Oui. Ah.
Red warning. All personnel.
Don't let her onto the boat. I repeat, all units, female.
That'll hurt in the morning. Faster! If she reaches that sub! Isola! Stop! She must be heading for the docks. Here we go again!
Red warning. All personnel. Evacuation immediately. This is not a river.
Il la laisse tous passer.
There. She's going for the boat. Oh no you don't! Not this time!
Comment on fait pour tirer?
Sorry, fellas. This one's mine.
Hop. Hop là, hop là, hop là. Et puis je peux pas lui tirer dessus. On va finir un défi de sprinter.
Isola! Don't make me.
You won't. Let it go, James. Oh, look at you. Whole house broken. What a waste. They won't take you back, you know? You will rot in a cell and leave nothing behind but a blackened file.
Mrs. Bond. The threat is neutralized. I could use a ride. +1.
He insists he was working alone, no assistance from anyone MI6.
What about the girl? What does he have to say about her?
A means to an end. He needed a ride.
Who just happened to offer at the most convenient time. No one's that naive.
He saw her as a calculated risk.
He got more than he bargained for. What's our take on her?
We have none. Or 1,000. Nothing adds up.
Well, surely you must be able to tell me something about her.
Well, so far, she's manipulated all our screenings and biometrical analysis, only breaking a sweat when she means to. The fact that we have nothing on her is perhaps the most telling thing of all. Someone has gone to great lengths to make her what she is and cover their tracks. We have no clue whatsoever who she's working for. Can't help but wish it was us.
Well, it's not. That is the one thing we know about her.
Oh. Le M6 s'est attaqué. Ils viennent la chercher.
Are you coming?
Get out of my way! Move!
Give them hell, James.
With pleasure.
La bagarre. Normalement, je pourrais le neutraliser avant.
Showers. Clear. Weird.
Got him zeroed in.
Ton arme. J'ai pas ma montre du coup.
Somebody's injured. In here. Better take a look. Where the hell did he go? Side fire! Oh, he's back. Must be close. You are going down. I've got him over here. Got you.
Ah, dis donc.
Must be a whole new breed of crazy.
Bon, celui-là, il y a une balle de plus. Prends celui-là.
Don't try to move. Who's doing this?
Don't know. The lockdown was triggered. They still got in. Shouldn't be possible.
I'll get help.
We need to get word upstairs. Red phone in security room.
I'll get them for this. I promise. Another one. Poor bastard tried to put up a fight.
Alors, est-ce qu'il y a des trucs? Conduite ventilation.
Area secured. Do another sweep. I want everyone accounted for.
Hop là. Pistolet de service. Puis celui-là, il y en a combien? Là, il y a une carte. Non, il y a le conduit, hein. Oula.
What? That needs a look. I've got him in my... Pressure is flat. I've got eyes on him. Lost him. Move this way. He's not as sharp as he looked. Flash deployed. Target in range. Pin him down. Now. No, move! He's down. Got him. Say goodnight. Move. He's coming. Got me. Push him out. That's it. You're mine. See him. Right bloody there. Go! Move! We're gonna kill you. Him out.
Alors.
I come to you, me and you. Oh, he's over there.
Alors, lui, il y a que 8 balles. La mitraillette, il y en a 13. Après, le pompe. Celui-là, il n'y en a qu'une. Regardez la mitraillette hein, pour le moment. Dommage qu'on puisse pas prendre 3 armes comme tout à l'heure.
Quiet. Do you have any idea what you're doing? Who you've just declared war on? I said, shut up. Guard the exits.
Too much firepower. Need to be smart about this. Didn't see that coming, did you?
Watch your six. Got an armed guard hiding in one of What? This isn't good.
Leave
Check
it.
on them. Watch yourself.
Use a smoke screen. Time for a smoke break.
What happened, mate? Talk to me. Outlook alive. What's going on here? No. No time. Moving out. Let it wait. Hey, what the hell happened? It's breathing. Start searching. Ready?
I guess it's okay now.
Conduite de gaz. On peut peut-être se diriger vers le point directement.
Let's check it out.
On va changer d'arme parce que lui il aura plus de balles. Dans son pompe, il a combien? Il en a que 8. Pas beaucoup.
Target in range. Flash him out. Got you. He's on his way out. Cover my position. I've got eyes.
Alors, il faut que j'aille par là. sont déjà passés par là aussi.
Why won't you die?
Hop là.
Took you long enough.
Em, listen to me. I've no part in this.
No need. I just watched you take down a handful of intruders. I'm not sure which side you're on, Bond, but it's clearly not theirs.
How did this happen?
You need an earpiece. The man you just fought was tuned into our frequency. Grab his. I'll update you on the way. And I'm reactivating your queue.
Et il re-exige.
You'll need all the help you can get.
Thank you, Mom. I was feeling
Tu
rather
avais
guilty
raison.
about it.
Isola nous l'a fait à l'envers.
Proceed.
Take the back stairs down to operations. Find Moneypenny. If anyone can raise this lockdown, it's her.
Moneypenny's here.
She's not your friend, Bond. She's an asset. Stay focused.
With respect, Mom. To hell with that.
Duly noted.
Carte postale. Note d'avertissement, nous sommes compromis, partez immédiatement. Ah ouais. Oh, je l'ai pas retourné, zut. Oh ça alors, comme c'est étonnant, t'as vu?
Someone please be alive in there.
Stay with me, Henry. We'll get out of this, you hear me? We just gotta...
Oh, c'est celui qu'on a croisé l'autre jour. Pas tout à l'heure.
Whitlock. He's gone. I'll take it from here. Get yourself to safety.
Take care of him. He's only resting.
Je suppose qu'elle est toujours en vie. Oui. Alors en fait, elle a voulu nous la faire à l'envers. Son histoire de parents, de vengeance avec Webb, c'était faux. On s'est retrouvé nez à nez avec Webb au moment de récupérer pardon, le noyau d'Orion. D'Hyperion, pardon. Elle a tué Webb, ce que nous, on voulait pas faire parce que il avait menacé que s'il mourait, il allait divulguer toutes les informations du MI6 qu'il avait en sa possession. Elle s'est emparée du noyau. Du coup, on l'a coursée. Et au moment où elle allait remonter dans le sous-marin qu'on avait croisé juste avant, eh ben, nous, on a détruit le noyau du coup d'Hyperion. Et elle s'est retrouvée toute seule parce que ceux du sous-marin, on ne sait pas qui c'est, sont partis. Donc on s'est retrouvés emprisonnés au MI6 avec elle. Enfin, chacun dans sa cellule. Et puis là, du coup, le MI6 se fait attaquer, où il y a tous des mecs qui viennent buter tous les gens du MI6. Et au moment où t'es arrivé, du coup, on arrivait au téléphone rouge pour prévenir les supérieurs qu'il y avait un souci. Conseil donné par une agent du MI6 qui est décédée sous nos yeux. Et du coup, bah là, M nous aide à sortir de là. Mais nous, face à la bagarre, on est parti droit dessus. Alors qu'elle, elle a pris la fuite. Il y avait un pistolet là, j'aurais peut-être pu le ramasser. Exactement. Exactement cette émote.
Oi, mate.
Approche-toi du bureau, s'il te plaît. Ah mais j'ai des armes sur moi, je suis trop bête.
Potential casualty, right there.
Ok. On a un là.
There are hostages here. I know these people.
Stay on objective. You won't help anyone by getting yourself killed.
Stay quiet. I won't let them hurt you.
Je vais quand même aller chercher celui qui est là.
What are you looking at?
Nothing. I wasn't. How's this happening? Why
C'est moi les backups. Ça te suffit pas?
Please don't hurt. Wait, I know you. You're not with them.
I'll take care of it. Just stay out of sight.
Des pistolets de service partout. Approche-toi toi parce que t'es un peu trop résistant.
What is? Let's go see.
Pourquoi ici y a rien, ça va. J'ai vu qu'il y en avait par là.
Hey, you! That needs a look. What was that? No idea what happened there. Get out here now. Wonder what that is.
Allez, là quand même, tu m'as entendu.
I see him. Engage.
Comment ça?
Take your shots. Got him. He's in my sight. Right bloody there. In my sight. He's not moving. Drive him out. Reload it. I've been shot. Got ya.
Bordel.
He got one of us. Need supporting fire. My position. Taking a flank. I've got him. Take him out. Grenade away.
Ah, vous faites chier avec vos grenades là.
Watch your heads. Target spotted. He's reloading. You're going down. Advance. Grenade. Down. Ride him out of there. All down to me now.
Allez hop. J'ai pas beaucoup de balles, hein. Ah, c'est le centre de commandement. Money Penny.